Hello everyone, we hope you've been well. We've got a few announcements to share, so let's get right into it. As you've probably noticed, we've taken some time away from our channel to focus on building up other parts of the Heathen household, such as our Facebook group, as well as preparing for all the new and exciting things we have coming soon. Starting today, we now have a schedule for our channel, where videos will now be put out on the 1st and 15th of every month. With our new schedule on YouTube, you'll now know when to check out our channel for a new video. We work very hard behind the scenes to make sure we're bringing you the best content across all of our platforms, so check us out over on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you haven't had the chance to. If you have found our content to be useful, we are so excited to announce we now have a Patreon. If you would like to support us in what we do, make sure to check it out in the description below. We couldn't do what we do without you and appreciate your support, so thank you. For our final announcement, we are so excited to share that we will be offering courses. These courses will cover a wide variety of topics to help you create a well-rounded understanding about heathenry. That wraps up our video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. From our heathen household to yours, we hope you have a great day.